For today's video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of my first giveaway, which I was giving away the lemonade palette from Dominique Cosmetics. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and who the winner is, then please keep watching. Hi everybody, Stephanie here. So finally I get to announce the winner of my lemonade palette giveaway. This wasn't planned, but the longer the days went by and I was thinking about my giveaway, I really had to change a few things on it. So I am not giving away one palette today, but I'm actually giving away two palettes. And the reason is simple. So one person, I definitely wanted to reach out to somebody new, a new subscriber, and just be like, hey, you know what, you won this palette, and I'll get that over to you right away. And then I'm also going to be throwing in some extra goodies with that. But there was somebody who has been following me since I first started my, you know, like my beauty YouTube start, and that was back in 2013. And she goes by the name Real Beautiful Beauty. And I feel like I felt terrible because I was like, I don't want to just be like, okay, I'm picking you for my giveaway, and then, you know, if everybody's like, oh, well, you've known her forever. I mean, we've never officially met or anything. It's just she's been following me and been very supportive. I'm gonna link her channel inside of the description box right below if you want to go ahead and follow her. She does a lot of product reviews, and it's consistent, and and I believe she has like hundreds of videos. So from time to time I go ahead and look at what she posts, and then I might find something that I like, and per her recommendation I'll try it. So yeah, so that's Real Beautiful Beauty. I love you, girl. Like I could not have my first giveaway and not give you something. But then, you know what I mean, it feels like it would kind of be biased if I was like, okay, you're the winner. I don't know, I mean, it's like we've never met. Like I felt like I had to give her, you know, I had to give her something as my first giveaway, but then I was like, but I can't. So it just ended up being, I'm giving away two of the palettes. And the second person I'm giving this away to is Mara S, and she's from Boston, Massachusetts. She posted that my mom's birthday, which is October 13, is her parents' anniversary. So congratulations to your parents. But yes, you are the winner of the lemonade palette giveaway. And the reason I selected her was based on her message that she left on my lemonade palette review. And she put, I love Christen Dominique. She's so sincere and down to earth. When you initially put the shadow all over your eyelid or all over your lid, there was so much powder flying, but the look turned out so good. I would love to own this palette. I hope I win. So congratulations to both my winners. I just kind of want to give you guys a heads up. My next few giveaways are going to include, I have to do another review on the final palette from the Vault collection, and that is Bling Boss. So I'm going to do that review, and then during that review there's going to be the giveaway details in the video. I'm going to start that giveaway either the last week or the 1st of November. But then in November, for Black Friday, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. I still haven't bought anything yet. I'm kind of hoping Christen Dominique is gonna release her new, that I don't know if it's cherry or red roses, but I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna go buy those palettes. And no, I'm not being biased towards Christen Dominique. I just really like her products, and she's like the person that's coming out with something new. How I'm selecting it is just based on what's available at the time. So I don't know if it's gonna be that. I don't know if somebody else is gonna have some other product launching. I just know Christen's launching another product. So let's get started on the details of this look. For today's look, I'm going to be using the lemonade palette, and strictly only colors from this palette, because I have a look I've been seeing and I really want to do it, and I think I can achieve it using the palette. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my angled highlighter brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to go in with the color Nude Tea. Go ahead and put that all over. So I've already primed my eyes with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Next, I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with the color Lemon Soda. So it's a shimmery yellow. I'm going to go ahead and apply that underneath onto my eyebrow, my brow bone. And this time I'm going to bring it a little bit farther down, and just because when I start blending out with the rest of my eyeshadows, I know that it's gonna meet, and I don't have to like try to apply this after I lay down the next after I lay down the color in my crease area. So now I'm going to take this pencil brush, and this is from MAC, and I'm going to go in with the color Lemon Soda again. So I'm going to make sure to hit the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with this blending brush from Cosette, and I'm going to go in with the color Mango. Just get that kind of high up in my crease area so that it starts to overlap the golden shimmer from Lemon Soda. So when you're doing this, you definitely want to take a step back and just make sure that you can see color throughout, from all the way from where you started, all the way flowing up to meet the highlighting shade on my brow bone. So now I'm going to go back in with that pencil brush from MAC and go into the color Mango. Let's go ahead and get the bottom. I always like to make sure that this line down here matches here, because I found like before when I used to do my makeup, I used to just do the top and then I do the bottom separate, and it just never seemed to like match up, and it was hard after I applied the eyeliner. I was like, oh my god, I'm like missing color here. So as I continue to play with makeup more often, there's little things that just make my makeup application so much easier. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to get a base, and when I apply the color on top, it looks more intense because having a white base will help with that. So just lightly getting it ready for the application. So it's not really a cut crease, it's just a base for that shadow. Okay. I'm going with the color Sweet Tea here and get color on top of that. And like I've said before, I like to start patting it down low so that the brush, the bottom of the brush meets my lash line, and it just makes it easier to have less spacing between my lash line and where the shadow starts. So for this color, we really want to incorporate just blending out, and it's more or less just blending this top part out, because we're going to add a little bit more product here and at the ends. We're going to do a darker shade to connect it so that it looks seamless. But we're just going to go ahead and take a little bit of Sweet Tea, mix it with some of the Mango, and go ahead and face it downwards because I want the intense color to be more on the bottom. It's easier to blend that way. Just lightly go through. So I'm using this thicker pencil brush from Cosette, and that's because it allows me to place the product where I want, and then we're going to use a blending brush to blend it out. But this is just to kind of lighten it up so we have more of an ombre effect, because I mixed the two colors already together. Taking that blending brush from Alamar, I'm just going to go in with no product and just kind of blend the two shades together. And when I switch from eye to eye, I definitely want to keep it in the same direction because it's darker on the bottom where the mango color, the orange color is. Now I'm going to go in with Mango, just a little bit on that pencil brush, and just kind of lightly tap here. the inner corner. And then take Mango again, go on the bottom, make sure I'm facing upwards, and I'm just gonna line my eyes right about there, just to meet at the corner here. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush from MUA, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of chai tea, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on the outer corner here, the V part. And I don't want to get it too dark because I still kind of want to keep it more on the lighter side, but I definitely want to build the intensity on these corners. Now going back in with that brush from Alamar, go ahead and blend it starting from the outer corner and just bringing it in. And again on this side. And you can see how adding just a touch of brown on the outer corner will help intensify this like cat eye, smoky eye look. But it definitely doesn't take away from the orange and the yellow on here. So I'm going to go in a little bit chai tea and only on the outer corner of my bottom lash line. Just very lightly. I'm going to get a clean pencil brush, and this is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I know there's a little bit of like, you can still see the blue, and this is from when I did the look with the Manny's palette. But it's just a little stained. I gotta shampoo these, and I just have to shampoo these, and I usually just do that once a week. But during the rest of the week, I just use a regular brush cleaner to clean it. Also, something else I've kind of been testing out is I'm gonna get a little bit of translucent powder, put it on this is a domed shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to use it to kind of blend this part here so that the eyeshadow doesn't just look like it abruptly stops. A little bit of the lemon soda, just to make sure that the color, there's like a smooth transition. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera right now, so I'm going to finish up my eyes, my lips, and then I'll be right back. Alright everybody, so I'm back with my completed look, and just to recap, everything that I used in here as far as the shadows went were from the Lemonade Cosmetics palette. I lined my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Rose, then I used Sweet Tea from Dominique Cosmetics, one of the lip glosses. And for my eyes, I used the NYX Vivid Brights in Vivid Sapphire. And then I also used the NYX retractable eyeliner, and this is in the color Deep. Congratulations to the winners of this giveaway. There will be another giveaway coming at the end of this month. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join my ohana if you have not yet done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.